And welcome to Wellness with the Gardeners. I'm Lulu, and this is my beautiful daughter. What's your name? Hanan. As you can see, she is having her celery right now. So the first thing that we do in the morning is juice our celery. We have celery juice on an empty stomach, and Hanan likes to eat it, so she's eating it right now. And actually, she's gonna help me teach you how to juice celery. And I do have a juicer, which is a Jack LaLanne juicer, and pretty much it extracts the pulp, and we simply get the juice. Now I'm gonna have another video. I'm gonna tell you how to. Yes, that's why I'm gonna tell you how to use the pulp and not throw away all the benefits in that. But we are here to tell you about celery. Celery is one of the most healthiest foods. It is a great source of copper, vitamin K, vitamin A, B2, B6. It has calcium, phosphorus. It's so good for you. It is a great aid in high blood pressure because it helps with the high blood pressure and it ease off the hypertension that people tend to have the issues with. And it helps with digestion. So if you have issues with digestion, guess what? Maybe you want to start having celery juice. Maybe you want to, work your way up. What we have a 16 ounce every morning as the first thing in our belly on an empty stomach. But maybe you want to start off with 4 ounces, then to 8 ounces, then to, then eventually bring yourself to 12, then the 16 ounces. And the goal is to do this every day and just see how you feel. If you are a person who struggles with, diabetes, high blood pressure, I'm sure this will be an added benefit. So my girl here, Hanan, is going to help me. Yes, absolutely. And I'm going to show you, we have organic. It's the organic celery that we have here. And we got 3 hearts.
And it got this leaf.
Yes. And it's,
up here.
Yes. And it is 3
pounds.
So it's organic. I don't know if you can see that. And it's 3 hearts. Organic celery, and I'm gonna juice it. And Hanan is the one that's gonna be juicing it, right, Hanan? And as you can see, I already washed the celery right here, and I'm gonna turn on my juicer. So I apologize in advance for all the noise, okay? And as you can see, the juice is falling in there. It's a very simple process. It's a Jack LaLanne, as I was telling you. And here is the juice.
Let me taste it.
It's delicious, right? All right, Hanan, go ahead. Juice it.
And everybody would want to. It was Christmas. And we opened presents.
Yeah. Celery is so good for you. All right, so Hanan wanted you to see that she actually drinks the juice, okay? So we're gonna juice up all the celery, and as you can see, she's eating it, but we're gonna also show you, again, just to get started, if you think that, that's too much, maybe you just wanna do a shot. This is 4 tablespoons, which is 2 ounces. If you just wanna start with, 4 tablespoons, just have it as a shot, that's good as well, okay? So I'm gonna show you.
But you can spill it.
Yes, you can eat it as well.
No, you can't spill it.
Oh, you have to be careful not to spill it, Hanan says.
You have to drink it, but don't put too much.
Right, don't put too much, Hanan says, because you don't want to spill it, right?
Just eat it and drink it.
Yes, eat it and drink it. And here it is.
And you have to eat this.
Look, Hanan, go right ahead. You want to show them that you actually drink it? Look. Hanan is actually drinking her celery juice, folks. I'm not making up lies. And look, again, it's delicious. It has like this natural like salt, like sodium. It's so delicious. Again, you might have to work your way up to this. I'm not gonna act like it's easy for those of you who don't like veggies already. For those of you who don't really drink natural juice, you like your stuff sweet all the time. If that's you, maybe this is the only amount that you're able to have.
But you can put sugar in it.
Hanan says you cannot put sugar in it, and she is right.
Tea and the sugar.
What? Say that again?
Tea and sugar.
Yes, but not in this, right?
That's in the tea right here.
That's right.
And the sugar.
That's right. So, folks, all right, just want to finish up the video. What I'm going to do is this is a 32-ounce bottle, and I'm going to finish juicing the rest of the celery, and I'm going to fill this up. So, I'm only going to have 16 ounces this morning.
But they're not going with my dad.
Yes.
To the supermarket.
That's right. So, I'm going to have mine.
Because they go to walk.
Yes, and my...
And you're going to look.
Yes, okay.
But don't buy.
Okay, thank you, Hanan. So I'm going to have mine 16 ounces. Of course, my husband will too, but the kids will have 8 ounces. So I'm going to juice up all this celery that I have. And if you have any questions. Oh, okay. Let's say goodbye to the people, okay? Thank you for watching. We love you. And guess what? It's so much easier for your kidneys, your liver is being washed by your celery juice that you're having. Listen, join us. Get into your celery juice. I challenge you, maybe 7 days. Do the 7-day celery juice and just see how you feel. Your mood, right? Your energy, just your skin, how glowing and how...
Like this.
Yes.
Because I hurt myself.
Oh, no.
Right here.
Oh, sorry, Hanan. But yeah, so try eating and drinking your celery. Put it into your your diet regimen. Is so good for you. If you have any questions, let us know. Listen, if you don't have a juicer, you can still do it in a blender. Simply strain it, okay? Do not say, oh, I don't have a juicer, so I can't have celery juice. That is not true. You can blend it up and then simply strain it, and then so you can have just a pure juice. And do not throw away that pulp. I'm gonna have a video coming up soon to teach you what to do with the pulp. All right, thank you folks for watching. We love you. Hanan, thank you for being my helper today. Can I get a kiss? Mwah. I love you. I love you for watching, and you have a great day.
You like my shirt?
And oh, Hanan want to show you her shirt. Okay.
And my skirt.
And her skirt. Okay, you see her skirt.
And look
All right.
everything.
Yes, absolutely. Well, we love you.
We got bananas.
Yes, we do have bananas. Okay, say goodbye to the people. Say love you.
Bye.
Love you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God
But
bless.
we did it almost done.
Yes.
We're not almost done.
We
got more.
We have a lot more celery. You see, it's
Yeah.
a lot more celery, Hanan is saying. All right, love you guys. Bye.